Hey and welcome to lesson 9 in this free guitar course where I teach you how to read sheet music on the guitar. So by the end of this video you will learn how to sight read music notation. So let's get started. Okay, so today we are looking at the notes on the third string and we're gonna add a new note, which is the note of G. So you can see here on the chart we have the note of G here. So it's on the third string and it's open. So we play it just by picking the string by itself. We got the G note. That's your G note there. Third string from the bottom, 1, 2, 3. G note there. And now on the staff itself, you can see it's on that line there. So it's on the second line on the stave. That's your G note. There's your G note here. So you might remember we had the G note as well, the high G, which was this one, on the first string, third fret. But this is the low, the one octave below. So we have G, F, E, D, C, B, A, and then G. There's one octave below now. Okay, now if you haven't watched my previous videos, make sure you go through and watch those first, because that way you will all catch up to this lesson and you will know all the information you need before getting to this lesson. So just go back, watch that again. Okay, now let's get into it and start with exercise 50 here. So exercise 50 we have all G notes, and as you remember, as always, we just start with playing the G note by itself, and we're gonna look at playing. You can see at the first bar here we're playing the 4 quarter notes of G, and then we play on the second bar 2 half notes of G. Then the third bar we have 4 quarter notes of G. Then the last bar we have 1 whole note of G, which is 4 beats, right? So the quarter notes, 1 note per beat. The half notes, 1 note every 2 beats, and then quarter notes again, and then the whole note is 4 beats. So you play that note for 4 beats there, the last one. So just let's count in and then try to play with me. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. So hope you could follow along there. Try to play it a few times. Just pause the video, play that a few times, just so you get a hang of it, and then you can try again. Let's go on now on to the next exercise, which is 51 here. So 51, let's just first go through the notes. So what the notes we have here is the G note, we have the B note, the C note, the D note, the E note, the F note, the G note, and then the lower G note. So you have the high G and then the 1 octave below the lower G there. So you need to be able to practice this so you know it by heart, so that you can just read it and play it. That's what we call sight reading. So if you can't really play and read this right now, then go back, watch the previous videos, practice it more, then come back to this video. So let's now try to play this a few times together, nice and slow, so you have time, because it's every 2 beats now. So every 2 beats you play a note. So let's try to play this one together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So hope you can follow along there. If you can't really follow along, try to pause this video, play it a few times slowly by yourself in your own time without worrying about the timing, and then you can try again. So let's try it one more time now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, great. So that's the end of this video here. Take your time now with this, practice it, get used to playing those notes, get used to sight reading, and just go over that a few times. In the beginning, first thing you need to get is how to read and play the notes. So you do that first, without timing, without worrying about timing and playing in time and things like that. Then you try with slowly counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and play the notes. Do that for a while. Then you add the metronome and you play it with the metronome. Okay, practice that and we'll see you in the next video.